Have you ever wondered what habits make people rich? Today we'll reveal 7 habits that could pave your path to wealth. We'll explore the power of nurturing a reading habit, investing regularly, paying off bad debt, and buying appreciating assets. We'll delve into the wisdom of spending less than you earn, tracking your income and expenses, and taking advantage of the tax system. These habits can potentially steer you towards a financially secure future. Ready to unlock the secrets of the wealthy? Let's dive in. Habit number 1, reading. Wealthy individuals never stop learning. They understand that knowledge is power, and reading is a fantastic way to gain that power. It's not just about reading financial books, it's about expanding your mind to new ideas, perspectives, and strategies. This constant growth and learning can open up opportunities and give you the tools to increase your wealth. It's about fostering a mindset of continuous improvement. So, keep reading and keep growing. Habit number 2, investing often. The rich understand the power of compound interest. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, growing larger with each revolution. Investing is about making your money work for you. You put in a certain amount, and over time your money multiplies thanks to compound interest. It's a slow and steady process, but the payoff? Immense. It's not just about saving. It's about growing your wealth, and investing often is the key. Remember, every dollar invested is a step towards wealth. Habit number 3, paying off bad debt. Wealthy people know that bad debt is a wealth destroyer. Let's clarify, there's good debt, like a mortgage or student loans, which can improve your financial position in the long run. Then there's bad debt, such as credit card debt, which typically has high interest rates and does nothing to increase your wealth. Paying off these toxic debts is crucial. It's like removing a heavy weight from your shoulders. Pay off your bad debts and free yourself from financial shackles. Habit number 4, buying appreciating assets. The rich don't just make money, they make their money work for them. Appreciating assets, be it property, stocks, or even a vintage car collection, are items that increase in value over time. The wealthier you become, the more of these appreciating assets you can acquire. By purchasing these assets, you're not just storing your money, you're growing it. It's like planting a money tree in your backyard. Invest in assets that grow in value and watch your wealth multiply. Habit number 5, spending less than you earn. The rich understand the importance of living below their means. This isn't about scrimping and saving every penny to the point of misery. It's about conscious consumption. It's about making wise decisions with your money, prioritizing needs over wants. This creates a financial buffer, a safety net for those rainy days. It also allows for more capital to invest, further growing wealth. Remember, wealth isn't about earning a lot, it's about saving a lot. Live below your means but within your needs. Habit number 6, tracking your income and expenses. The rich always keep an eye on their money. You see, tracking your income and expenses isn't just about staying on top of your bills. It's about understanding your money habits. It's about knowing where every dollar, every penny goes, because when you know where your money goes, you can make informed decisions. You can identify habits that are holding you back and make a change. You can spot opportunities to save, invest, and grow your wealth. Think about it. You wouldn't drive a car with your eyes closed, would you? So why manage your money that way? Tracking your income and expenses is like opening your eyes on the road to wealth. It's how you avoid financial potholes and how you find the quickest route to your financial goals. Track your money, and you'll know where to cut and where to invest. Habit number 7, taking advantage of the tax system. The rich know that understanding taxes can save them a fortune. They study tax laws or hire experts to navigate the complex system. This isn't about tax evasion, but about legal tax strategies. It's about knowing deductions, credits, and benefits that exist and using them wisely. From investment taxes to estate planning, they ensure their money works for them, not against them. Understand taxes and save more of your hard-earned money. And there you have it, 7 habits of the wealthy. They read to expand their knowledge, invest regularly for future growth, and clear bad debts to maintain financial stability. They buy appreciating assets, spend less than what they earn, and keep track of income and expenses for better fiscal control. Lastly, they use the tax system to their advantage, leveraging legal ways to reduce tax liabilities. These habits aren't just about being rich, they're about financial independence. Start incorporating these habits into your life, and you might just find yourself on the path to wealth.